It goes on and on and on.
Remind me of everything tonight. Yes, I'm in the zone.
Dreaming about the things that we could be.
You already know.
That's what kill me when I'm in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch.
Is it too late now to say
I need a one dance. And then we start to dance and I'm singing like, oh, I want something just like that.
might be over now, but I feel it still.
But I always said I feel it.
Duh.
I want you to be.
Hi guys, welcome back to Finnish Fun Fairs UK. This is part 3 of the Turners Newton Aycliffe Fair. We're in the town centre right now. You've got your bungees, you've got your Racerama, you've got your you've got your carousel, you've got your toy carousel, you've got your jets, and then also your little pirate ship. It finishes today because it's Wednesday. So it's the last day of this. We'll try and get some pull down, pull offs this afternoon, but I can't guarantee anything. But I'm just gonna walk around the fair and I'll see you there. So as you guys may know, the fair ends today. We've still got the giveaway to win some Turners Fun Fairs vouchers for any of Turners Fairs. We've got absolutely loads. We've got about 680. Here's the poster over in this Julie's pet shop. Pause it there if you want to see it. So today's the last day. This closes at 6 PM today, and then it'll just pull down and pull off. And then this main fair with the Tagadilla Waltzer, the Ghost Train, the Miami and the Frogs, it ends at 7 PM. They're going to pull it down as and when they choose to. This could be today, this could be tomorrow. There's another one. Just so you know, he put these stickers on, put them on so they keep the boards, so they can put them on different fairs. And yeah, so this finishes tonight at 7. Gonna try and get a Tagada and also a Frog POV for you at this fair, because I've done the Miami and the Waltzer the other day. So that should be good. Yeah, I'll see you when we get in. So yeah, I'm so sorry in the last video if there's some segments without any noise whatsoever. It's because I got copyright claimed by not even the real owners of the song. So yeah, as you can see, they've already taken off the top flash on the Waltzer. So it's one less thing to do tonight. I think the first ride we're gonna go on of the day is the Tagada. Let's go. So guys, this video is on my POVs and also the pull downs and pull off sort of thing, because we've got the juveniles here right now. These are all getting pulled down tonight. So we've got the mini pirate ship that's getting pulled down in a couple of minutes. Got the toys. These are getting pulled down soon as well. And the pirate ship will be about 5 minutes. But yeah, so here in the main town centre, you've got your bungees down there, which are priced at £5. This is the cheapest ground that Turners do in 2025. So you've got your bungees, which are priced at £5 or £4 for entry with a 50p voucher. You've got the Racerama, your carousel, your toy carousel, your planes, and also your mini pirate ship. These are all priced at £2.50 each or £2 with a 50p voucher. The 4 big rides that are over in the car park, the Tagada, the Frogs, the Miami and the Walser, those are all £2.50 each or £2 with a 50p voucher. There's also a juvenile on there, or there's 2 juveniles on there, which those are both priced at £2.50. And then you've also got your Hook a Duck, which I think off the top of my head it's £3 a go on that, but it's a winner every time. Right guys, so I'm heading back out at the big fair. Probably go over there later on to watch them pull down, but yeah, we're hopefully gonna pull down. But what ride till I going now, guys? So guys, it is the next morning, but I'm so sorry this wasn't a long video. My other night was a longer video, obviously, because I was there longer. But last night I focused on going on some of the rides. I only managed to get on 3 though. But the good thing is, when I went on the Walser, I had my own personal walker the whole time, who was just spinning me. But yeah, thank you for understanding that this was not a long video. But later on, I'll be posting a video on the pull down and pull off of the fair. I captured some of the pull off of juveniles last night. I'll insert them into this video after this. But they'll also include in the pull down and pull off video. I didn't manage to see the juveniles pull off last night because I had to be elsewhere, but we did get a little bit of footage. I'm just on my way to the fair now for the pull down and pull off this morning, and I will see you in that video later. So guys, we're pulling down all the juveniles in the town centre, pulling down the bungees. We've already took all of the bungees off, and we were pulling the flags and tops off the Racerama. Got the carousel and that doing in a bit.